Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. In this video we are going to solve ICSE Mathematics Class 7 Chapter 24 Area and Perimeter Exercise 24D question number 4. This is what? Find the area of an isosceles right triangle if one of the equal sides is 15 centimeters long. Right, so here we have to find area of a isosceles right angle triangle. Right, so it's basically they've just given us a different type of triangle, or basically it's the same thing, only they've just named it so that we get confused. Right, we won't have to make any change in our formula or calculation. Right, see, basically an isosceles right triangle is something like this. Right, and in this it might look a bit tilted. Right, so it has to be a right angle triangle, okay, as well. So this, right, this is what? An isosceles right triangle in which this one angle is 90 degrees and two sides are equal, this one and this one. This side, it's called the hypotenuse, right, which is opposite to the right angle, this one, and it is also the longest side. Fine, and these two sides, what has been given is if one of the equal side is 15 centimeter long. So there are two sides here, 1 and 1, which are equal, but they have said that one of the two equal side, that means out of the two, one is 15 centimeters. Now think yourself that if they give us one side out of the two equal sides, right, so that means other side is also going to be the same, right? That is, if this is 15, then other side will also be 15 centimeters, right? So that means what? They have just tried to trick us here by writing this line. Both of these are 15 centimeters, right? Now see here that what we need is only these two sides. We don't need anything else. In a right triangle, the base is this side and this is the height, or you can say both of these two represent base and height. Fine, so I'll say here my base is what? 15 centimeters, and height or altitude, right, it would be more appropriate to write altitude, that is 15 centimeters. Fine, now see here that calculate the area, very simple, use the formula, right? So area will be what? 1 by 2 into base into altitude, right? Fine, so this will be what? 1 by 2 into 15 into 15. 15 into 15 means 15 square, right? So that is 15 square is 225. Okay, 15 into 15 and upon 2. This will give us what? Cancel this. 1, 2 goes 1 times, this 2 will go 1 time. 5, we take 4 from this 2 times, 0.5 again, right? So 112.5 square centimeters. This becomes the area of the triangle, right? You can do this division in that rough column and do it by yourself, right? That will give you the same thing. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like on this one. Till then, take good care of yourselves and bye bye.